Welcome back to Mr. Leek's free science tutorials. What we're doing now is we're starting onto the topic atomic structure. Now there's going to be a series of videos now, right, that are going to be answering a vast majority or a wide variety of questions all about atomic structure. The first question that I'm going to be dealing with in this video is describe the three subatomic particles and include the charge, the size and where they are found. Now this question, right, the key to it is the subatomic, right, because it doesn't really sort of tell you exactly what it's talking about. And quite a lot of students get confused about what subatomic is. It's also asking about the charge, the size and where they're found. Now as soon as I show you the three subatomic particles, your neutrons, your protons and electrons, everybody then comes clear, right? But it's the terminology, subatomic, right, below atomic level. So sub, below atomic level. Now, basically what you have is you have in an atom neutrons, protons and electrons. Neutrons are in the middle, protons are in the middle, right? So right smack bang in the middle of the atom itself, right, is a little kind of nucleus that contains neutrons and protons. Electrons are then flying around the outside. Right, it's a bit like the solar system where the sun is then the middle with the neutrons and the protons and the planet's going around the outside of the electrons. Now it's not quite as simple as that, but that's kind of the principle behind it. Dealing with each one. Neutrons, they have a charge of nothing, no charge. Neutral, neutrons, kind of makes sense. Size is 1. Now that 1 doesn't mean anything, it's relative. So that basically means that a proton size is 1, so they are the same size. Electrons are tiny, sometimes put down as negligible. All right, it's a very, very, very small fraction of the size of the neutrons and the protons. Protons, positive. Positive protons, P protons, positive, right? It all kind of makes sense. Those two, the neutrons and the protons, like I said before, are found in the nucleus. Electrons are negatively charged, right? So they're opposite of the protons, so you'll always get the same number of protons as you do electrons. Okay, they even each other out. They're tiny, and what they do is they orbit the nucleus, just like Earth does, right, around the sun. They orbit around the outside. And in a later video, what we'll do is we'll talk about the actual shells themselves. So, back to the question. Describe the three subatomic particles and include the charge, the size, and where they are found. So, the three subatomic particles are neutrons, protons and electrons. Neutrons have no charge. They have a size of 1 and they are found in the nucleus. Protons are positively charged. They also have a size of 1 and are also found in the nucleus. Electrons have a negative charge. They are tiny, negligible, and what they do is they orbit the nucleus. That then answers the question, describe the three subatomic particles and includes the charge, the size and where they are found.